Swipe up, tag your friends, like and subscribe, comment below. If I make this follow, don't let this flop, wait till the end, like for part 2. I'm going viral, viral. Virtual this, virtual that, I'm on my virtual shit. Virtual dick, virtual bitch, yeah we be getting it in. Virtual swigs, virtual lit, I'm getting turned with my friends. Everything virtual now, but just wait till then. Hit me when it's happy hour, all day. Me and my bees go sour, looking good in PJs, that's my superpower. Growing out all my hair, working on my self-care. This time we got rare, I'ma do it up with flair. Cause what a time to be alive. We can still live
to walk the lonely night. Alright, so a little bit of an update. I don't think you guys know this about me, but I have a fear of zombies. Invisible City. No, I want to watch some mermaid movies and some fantasy. I'm going to finish watching The Eighth Night and Ghost Stories. Then I'm gonna start and watch it Dahmer because everybody's talking about it, and I ain't finna be left behind, you know. But yes, so a little bit of an update now that you guys know about the belts and the brushes and the lashes. I can speak freely. So I was about to buy my camera, you guys, like so close, and then something kept on happening. I kept on getting an email saying the purchase didn't go through. When I looked in my account, there was like this major hold, and a bitch got scared. I was like, let me just cancel it. But in canceling it, I was able to do something else pertaining to the business. We're going to be doing brush holders. I know. I'm double banding because I've been eating a lot as well. I've been binging. My period is about to start. I've consumed so much sugar over the past 3 days. It's ridiculous. I had the shrimp loaded fries by Ringer Garden. I've had that basically the entire weekend. So it was just like, yeah. So I'm finna waist train gets my waist together, you know. I'm still working out how I'm going to actually work out. I'm not sure, and it's October, so I have to start something soon. So I might go jogging in the mornings, or just do some, I might go jogging in the mornings and do some at-home stuff. I really want to start the gym already. Let's see how that goes, because my birthday is coming up as well in December. Oh my gosh, so much is happening. Oh, and I can't lie, bro. Like I'm nervous. I'm all the feels, man. Hopefully you guys can still see me. I make coffee. It's probably really high. You're probably sitting too high. This coffee is hella strong. This one, this Nescafe Gold, I don't think you guys can see. I'm not sure what the lighting is looking like. And it's like hella strong. It's really, really strong. It's really strong. So I didn't know how strong it was yesterday. It's weird, but I like to mix my dry ingredients whenever I'm making anything. It's really weird, and I didn't recognize it until I was watching, like, you know, some cooking shows, and they kept on saying, you know, mix it dry. I'm like, oh shit, I'm a dry mixer. This is what I do. Well, I don't even know like what to say to you guys, or like how to talk, whatever. It's just beautiful. Everything, you know, has culminated to this moment with Pomi. And I googled what for meant. I did, and it's I forgot, but when I was reading it, it was like right up the alley, you know. Like it made sense for even for me within this time period. Let's see how strong. You know that song everybody keeps on getting wrong? The song goes, finesse. If I broke that map, it says finesse. Finesse. But people saying happiness. Am I right or am I wrong? It's saying finesse. If I broke my business, then I say, yeah, if I broke my business, that I'm going to finish it. But people saying happiness. I don't know, man. Crying out loud. Who's not? Who's broke? No. So how much is too much then? I thought it took a lot of that time. It's bad. It needs more salt, it needs more sugar. It's bad.
Feeling like I should, I'm all good, I'm all good. Never knew I could, I'm all good, I'm all good. Feeling like I should, I'm all good, I'm all good. Yeah. Never knew I could, I'm all good, I'm all good. I feel like I ain't never felt before. I was locked up in my head, but I ain't got to fret no more. Like Kobe in his prime, I rep that 24. 7 days a week, we put up points, who's even keeping the score? Let's run it back. Got it crazy where we at, let me be me, let me rap. Rep that vision, it's a different map. Whip it down the less paved, singing on a different track. They know it's a different path. It's like a dream, so let me never wake up. I was so hung up on myself, just like a stick in the mud. A little time, a little patience, when I got tired of waiting. Then I found that gem within me sticking out of the mud. And they gon' ask me why.
Yeah, the internet, I am so nervous about this launch. It just feels like it's been a long time coming, and for it to be finally happening, it almost don't feel real. It almost feel like, oh my god, I don't want to say it, but let's just say, when you used to feeling when you used to feeling so much time, but I think yes, Jonathan.
In my mind, there's only one way this goes. It's only one option. I gotta win. Yeah. I'ma lead with gold, got these goals. One track mind, I'm in that mode. I must win, I won't fold. That's on everything that I know. That's on everything that I know. Came with work, I lead with gold. Aim and bust, cool and compose. I take your road and raise a toast. I lead with gold, got these goals. One track.
I was fully planning on going jogging tomorrow morning. You know, just to get my shit, the clothes in on the friggin' line. Oh shit, and the big dry. That's what grandma was saying. So it's raining. I want to go jogging tomorrow morning, but I can do some at-home stuff, so we'll see. But yeah, I'm just trying to vlog bits and pieces for you guys, so that you know it's a legit day in the life of. So every day's gonna be a full day in the life of, like from my start and stuff. But I have the boys this weekend. Yes, Papa. Yeah. So. Yeah, yes, Jal, take it out of your mouth now, Papa.
Destined for greatness, my name is written in stars. And I will give everything, all that I have to the cause. Fight against evil, run through the pain, battle it all, this is more than a game. I am a lion and I can't be tamed, it's how it was made. There's ice in my veins, run through it all. No matter the odds, I will answer the call. The enemy knocks on the door. Even the greatest among us will fall, but the greatest will get back up. So I won't back down, and I won't give up, and I will act now.
I am trying to organize my life.
Jalil, go and go wash them all.
I'm still a eat snack. what's gonna happen this weekend. I'm at a loss for words. There is a brand new anxiety that is like coursing through my veins because come Papa. Yes, I'm here. I'm here. You want to carry me in jail? Still, but I want to talk to the people about my anxiety. Don't put me in jail. Just put it on and I'm gonna lock up my hand. Sure, come now, man. You will never put me in jail. Get these off of me. No, no. I'm never going in jail. Ouch! Hey boy, you bite me? You's a biter? Am I bite her? You bite me again. You are the biter. You are the biter. I should have known. If you slap me, I'm not gonna slap your back. So when you're mean to me, I'm gonna slap you with the belt. That's what you're saying? So when I'm mean to you, you want to slap me, but when you're mean to me, I can't slap you. No, go for the belt. Go take it up back. No. Go and take up back the belt because you've been mean to me, so I need to slap you, right? No. So when I'm mean, if I'm mean to you, you want to slap me. Go for the belt. No. Don't kiss me. Go for the belt.
Been a long time coming, but I'm here. I was drifting, now I'm shifting gears. Now I got